You remember fe, right? Let's play with that. Well, today we want to see what happens to fe when it comes into an actual word. Remember fe, right? Lowercase fe, capital fe. Lowercase can come at the beginning and in the middle. Can attach from here, but has to attach from here. A must, and here is optional, depending on the letter before that. What about the capital one? Well, we know it just comes at the end, always at the end. And it can attach from here or it can come separately. But now let's go and see how they look like in the actual words. Look at this. Here, fe comes at the beginning, and of course it has no choice to attach to the letter after it. Here it comes in the middle, didn't attach from here, but attached from here, no choice. Here, attached from both sides, because se wants to attach from here. And the last one, it came alone. But imagine we didn't have re and it was just be, so they were attached. We know that. But now let's read the new words. Farda. Farda. At the same time, look at the position that fe has in the word. Farda is the same as tomorrow in English. Farda, tomorrow. Next one. The one that, look at it, how it looks like in the middle. Aftab. Aftab. Aftab is the same as sunshine in English. This one, which it has company both sides, safar. Safar. Safar is the same as travel in English. This one maybe you don't remember the appearance, but from now on you will, but you know the word, barf. Yeah, I knew that you remembered. Barf. Barf is the same as snow in English. It's as easy as this. Let's see what we have for practice. Well, for practice, as usual, 1 or 2 lines for this, 1 or 2 lines write down this, and the part that it can attach to other letters, just show it with another color, like red, for example, like what I did. Try to write down each one of them just once, just for practice, no pressure. And the main one, instead of saying tomorrow, we say farda. Instead of saying sunshine, we say aftab. Instead of saying travel, we say safar. And instead of saying snow, we say barf. When you did it, comment for me. If you had any questions, you can comment. I will answer. Don't forget to subscribe and see you guys all next session. Bye.